Government agencies joined the Zero Waste Philippines and the United Nations Development Program for the launching of the Solid Waste Movement. The partnership aims to pursue the continued education of the public on the reduce, reuse, and recycle of wastes. This report from Maya Mapili.
As response to the continuous dilemma of the country in waste management, the Office of the Ombudsman, DANR, MMDA, DILG, National Solid Waste Management Commission, United Nations Development Program, Zero Waste Philippines, and Mother Earth Foundation unite for the launching of Solid Waste Management Compliance Program. The program planned to continuously remind the Filipinos to reduce, reuse, and recycle their waste not only in their houses but also in the community to achieve Zero Waste Philippines.
One of the roles of the Ombudsman is as a mobilizer, as to ensure and encourage compliance with the law.
Local government units play an important role in the implementation of the Republic Act 9003 or the Ecological Solid Waste Management, as they will be the frontliners for quick actions from the people. This includes the barangay captains, mayors, governors, and all leaders in the country. Criminal sanctions and disqualifications to their positions will be implemented to those who cannot comply.
So ganun ka-importante sa amin na makita namin na lahat ng mga members ng society, yung mga kabataan hanggang sa mga mayors natin, mga barangay captains at mga civil society organizations ay seryoso sa kampanya laban sa basura.
At present, 53% of LGUs have complied.
Ito pong project na to is just to further raise awareness about RA 9003 or the National Solid Waste Management Act na nakikita po natin hindi po kaya ng pamahalang nasyonal mag-isa, kailangan po natin ng tulong ng lahat ng sektor.
This is Maya Mapili for News at Junior Edition.